Hello dear learners, this is Dr. Sedhupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Dear learners, now we are going to discuss about syntax of a C program. Agenda for the discussion will be syntax of C program, command line, preprocessor directive, global declaration and the main function. Here you can look at the syntax of C program. Starts with command line, preprocessor directive, global declaration and then main function. Within the main function there is local variable declaration and a set of instructions or statements. From the right side you can observe that there is a simple example program and its output. Next, what is command line? So command line is basically used to explain code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. So command line is actually used for users to understand what code is inside and what input users can able to give and what type of output the program actually going to give, right? So generally command lines classified into two types as follows. One is single line command line and another one is multi-line command line. Next, multi-line commands. Multi-line commands starts with forward slash and asterisk symbol and ends with asterisk symbol forward slash. Any text between this combination of forward slash asterisk symbol will be ignored by the C compiler and it will not be executed. You can see the example below. There is a phrase of text starts with forward slash and asterisk symbol and ends with asterisk symbol and forward slash. These two lines all together called multi-line commands. You can see the example. Next comes to preprocessor directives. C preprocessor is a macro processor that is used automatically by C compiler to transform your program before actual compilation. There are few examples has include stdio.h. This is a header file which contains the standard input functions. Tells the compiler to include information about the standard input libraries. The stdio.h standard input-output header file contains definition and declaration of system-defined functions such as printf, scanf, power and so on. These are all used in symbolic constant such as has defined pi is contains the value 3.14. Next one is global declaration. Generally in any programming language there are two types of declaration. One is global declaration and another one is local declaration. Local declarations are basically done within any function. It may be inside main function or it may be inside user defined function. Here let us discuss about global declaration. In C, global declarations refer to the declaration of variables and functions that have global scope. Global scope means that these variables and functions can be accessed from anywhere within the entire program, including from within the functions. And the next one is main function. It is the user defined function and every function has one main function from where actually program is started and it is enclosed within the pair of curly braces. The main function can be anywhere in the program, but in general practice it is placed in the first position. Thank you my dear learners for patient listening. I would like to see you in future with some other interesting topics. Thank you once again.